In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Upwork account step by step. Whether you've decided to take a break from freelancing or you're ready to retire your profile, this guide will walk you through the entire process smoothly. First, let's get started by heading over to the Upwork login page. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Upwork website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your Upwork dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to clear any pending contracts you might have. It's essential to ensure that all your current engagements are wrapped up to avoid any future complications. Don't forget to withdraw any remaining funds from your Upwork account. This ensures that your hard-earned money is safe and in your possession before you proceed with closing your account. Once you've squared everything away, click on the Account Settings button. You'll typically find this option in the drop-down menu under your profile picture or name. Navigating through these settings will bring you to a variety of options related to your account. Next, you're going to click on Close Account. Before you do this, it's wise to review whether closing your account is the right decision, as this action is irreversible. Make sure you've downloaded any necessary reports or documentation you may need in the future. When you're ready, proceed by providing all the required details in the respective fields prompted by the system. You'll likely need to verify some personal information, so ensure you have the necessary details at hand. After filling in the details, click on Save to confirm your entries. This saves any changes and moves you closer to closing your account. Upwork will ask for a reason for closing your account. You can click on any reason that best resonates with your situation. This step is primarily for Upwork's information, to gather feedback from their users. Finally, you'll need to confirm by clicking on Close Account. This is the final step, and once it's done, your connection with Upwork will be officially terminated. Taking these steps carefully will help ensure a smooth transition as you close your account. As always, consider reaching out to Upwork's support team if you have any questions or need further assistance during this process. And with that, you've successfully closed your Upwork account. Thanks for watching, and if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.